Avoid the mistakes that everybody else makes when starting an online business. Let us save your project before it starts. Work with a professional product manager. It has never been easier to start a new website, a blog, your own social network, a shopping cart, or a mobile app and make a successful business out of it. But here is some important advice. Work with a professional product manager to help you with your project. Most people go straight to a designer or web developer, which is ultimately the reason why their project fails. You should know that actually most projects fail and that less than 1% of the projects eventually turn a profit. It is all avoidable. The fastest way to sabotage your idea's potential is to not work with an experienced product manager before the project starts. A product manager is the person who can help you make the right decisions before any designs are created and before the first line of code is written. Working with a product manager is not a nice-to-have, but a must-have for everyone who is serious about their business idea. Why do you need a product manager? Most designers are not very technical, and most developers are not very creative. It is the typical left brain, right brain dilemma. This means if you go to a designer first, your designs will probably not take into account technical feasibility and implementation cost. And if you go to a developer first, your product will probably lack user-friendliness and visual appeal. More importantly, neither of them is particularly experienced with such things as marketing, sales, cash flow, forecasts, conversions, monetization models, and other business-related factors. These factors should actually drive the design process and the corresponding development work, but not the other way around, how it is usually done, where the product is built before the business side of things has been decided on. And this is a big mistake. Because no matter how well designed or well developed your product is, it will be worthless if the necessary business DNA is not created before the design and development begins. Here is a perfect example. You start with a viable business idea, but by choosing the wrong business model, you turn it into a non-viable business without noticing it. At that point, it already doesn't matter how good your designs will be, nor does it matter that your developer will be using the most advanced technology. You are already on the wrong track, and you won't be able to recover from it no matter how good the execution is. Another perfect example is a product that is missing the necessary sales funnel, or that doesn't take into account how your product or service will be marketed. What is the solution? What we offer is to have you work with one of our experienced product managers who will help you develop the right strategy for your business idea that incorporates the following things. It will represent the fastest and least risky way to make your business cash flow positive, probably the most important item. It will choose the most effective marketing venues for your business idea. Every business requires a unique marketing strategy, and the wrong marketing venue might jeopardize the entire project. It will suggest the best suited technology for your business idea. It will add sales DNA to the project from the get-go. This alleviates the need to make tweaks after the product is built, which is sometimes not even possible. Making the right choices in the beginning is crucial for your project's success. Making the wrong choices in the beginning can mean that your project has already failed before it even started. Don't make the same mistakes everybody else makes, and take advantage of our experience when it comes to starting an online business. Therefore, talk to us about working with one of our product managers. You have nothing to lose. You can only win by contacting us.